60 seconds if me correct pidgin and is now we they do. And this morning waiting we won't talk about now the new boy where Chelsea don't sign. Christian Pulisic, they don't sign up from Borussia Dortmund, now 20 years old of age now he be, and they sign up for £58 million. Now we don't they worry, we don't they crack head. Say, oh boy, Chelsea don't spend money here. Oh. Chelsea sign and finish. He come tell and say making go loan for Borussia Dortmund. When season end, next season, he go come Chelsea. We they ask this money where they use sign this Christian Pulisic. Is they alright? This boy a small boy yo, and a Borussia Dortmund they come from. We don't see some kind players where don't come from Borussia Dortmund, come Premier League. We don't see Kagawa in come Premier League. The guy no even get muscle self. He run over Borussia Dortmund. We don't see America Bumayang. In the score go fast now, but Arsenal fans they complain say if he score one goal, he go don't miss like 20 goals. You see that kind of thing. We don't see Mkhitaryan on be saying no, they even get confidence at all. So this money where Chelsea spend, is they good? Is they alright? You just say the guy deserve him. You just say he worth this money where they spend to carry and come inside Chelsea when next season go start. And the games where they play today, this now all the results where they play. Chelsea fans, sorry ball. It be like say when I go carry this sorry ball go hospital, go check wetin dey happen to am.